efforts are less, and you surprised me suddenly with this thing. So in the last 1 month, you started working very hard, or what was it? Like, I know that you were taking a lot of stress. This I know. Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director JMDI Academy, also running a website called Merchant Navy Decoded. Today I have got Aditya Thakur with me. He is from Dehradun, studied at Olympus High School, and just yesterday he got selected in a very good shipping company, which has surprised me even. So just coming to the point, see guys out here, I know your company, the social media policy is very strict, so definitely we are not going to name the company from your end. I just want to know one thing, कि what was your class 12 percentage?
It was 90.2.
90.2%. Okay, great. So 90% लाने के बावजूद, why did you think you had to join JMDI Academy and take professional guidance? What was the reason?
Sir, because no one is born perfect, so I thought that I have some flaws in myself. So I decided to take admission in JMDI Academy, as I have read it about it on Instagram and seen videos on YouTube also.
And before joining JMDI Academy, did you see any kind of failures or success before joining over here?
No sir, before joining JMDI Academy, I was only getting failed. I gave Great Eastern exam, I gave Anglo Eastern exam. In both of these I got failed.
So you failed in the interview part or in the online test itself?
In Anglo Eastern I failed in the interview part, but in Great Eastern in written I was out.
Okay, and okay, so after JMDI Academy जय माता दी हुई, right? So अगर मैं तुमसे पूछूं बेटा ये बात कि you have to be very honest, which is that tell me 3 things that you liked about JMDI Academy.
So the communication between the teachers and the students, and the assignments which are being provided to the students every day, and also the weekly tests which are students giving on every Saturday or Fridays.
तो वो जो नंबर घर पे जाते हैं, were your parents getting those marks every weekend कि भैया इतने नंबर आए हैं? तो डांट पड़ती थी? Were you getting scolded कि नंबर क्यों कम आए?
Yes sir.
Was it happening?
ताने भी पड़ते थे.
ताने ही पड़ते थे साथ में. तानों का मतलब टॉन्ट होता है कि नंबर क्यों नहीं आ रहे, नंबर क्यों नहीं आ रहे. See, at academy we take weekly tests and we make it a very sincere point that all the numbers of all the students go to their parents as well. This is very very important. ये आज आ रहे हैं, नहीं आ रहे, कल आ रहे, नहीं आ रहे. So we have to make sure that even parents are held responsible, not just us, right? And not just you as well. Apart from that, every month end we used to send a complete attendance sheet कि in this month how many days you have been absent. Were your parents getting that as well?
Yes sir.
Okay, fine, great. तो अभी ये बताओ मुझे कि what are your plans? भी आगे क्या सोचा है? अभी अच्छी कंपनी में सिलेक्शन हो गया है, जाना है, और उसके बाद?
So after that, completing the training, I'll be on the ship as soon as possible.
तो एक quality which you feel that is very important to become a good deck cadet and which you have learned on board in JMDI Academy, which you have felt that is really important if you have to perform good on ship, what is that?
The patience and hard work.
Hard work. So are you hardworking?
Yes sir.
Are you? I'm sure.
Yes sir.
But to be very honest, there was a time when I was really worried. I was constantly talking to your guardian, that's your boo, all the time. And she was also worried. And most of the times I always felt that efforts are less. And you surprised me suddenly with this thing. So in the last 1 month, you started working very hard, or what was it? Like, I know that you were taking a lot of stress. This I know. That even your guardian telling you, सोचता बहुत है. बुआ जी भी कह रही थी, and even I know that. But I felt कहीं ना कहीं शायद वो actions में कमी थी. What is your think on?
Sir, at the last month I started working more harder. But when I was having this interview, I was least expected that I would be getting selected in this company, as I started collecting my other documents for the other company, as they have sent a submission mail.
So you have been selected in how many companies have been selected till date?
Sir, in 2 I am selected and 1 is rescheduled.
1 is rescheduled. Okay, great. Okay, so you were collecting for the 3rd company and
yes,
you got selected in this company, huh?
Yes.
Chalo, great. ठीक है. So, अच्छा. What about your communication skills? How did you improve your communication skills?
Sir, right now it is not that good, and further I am working on it. And earlier also I have worked on it much by reading some books and also standing in front of the mirror and practicing to feel confident.
Great. चलो अभी main point पे आते हैं, that is कि how to say it तो अगर मैं तुमसे सी अगेन वन थिंग वेयर यू फील दैट वी कैन इम्प्रूव एज एन अकेडमी, नॉट a difficult choice, as you said that nobody is perfect, right?
Yes.
So जैसे तुम परफेक्ट नहीं, हम भी परफेक्ट नहीं है, कहाँ पर हम बेटर कर सकते हैं? यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Sir, a little bit during the weekly test on the cheatings.
ओके, चीटिंग होती है तो हम लोग यार टीचर को वहाँ पर सारा टाइम रखते हैं, उसके बाद भी हो जाती है कैसे?
Sir, you should increase the number of teachers.
अच्छा, एक क्लासरूम के अंदर वी नीड टू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स.
That
सो
means two teachers are least.
okay, so he means to say that in the weekly test, in spite of knowing that they are doing it for themselves, they still do the cheating, and which is bad on their part. And yes, thank you very much for sharing your experience with us, and we will make it we will be more proactive during the weekly test so that cheating does not happen at all. ठीक है, thank you very much. Thank you Aditya, thank you very much. Jai Mata Di. So guys, this is Aditya Thakur. He has been selected in Top Notch Shipping Company. He is from Dehradun, and most importantly, if you want to watch his mock interview, go to this playlist, watch his mock interview and understand more about him. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.